Well, you have seen too much, no more.
I don't mean to be cruel.
Guys, what's up? This is Rejukun and I wanted to do this update video because I haven't been able to post for the last week, and I wanted to tell you the reason about that. And I most probably won't be able to post for the next week as well because, well, I'm busy making some fun stuff, and after the next week some big and really entertaining stuff is coming out in my on my channel, so don't forget to check it out. Just wanted to say hi to the all the new subscribers. I can't believe that there's already 285 of you subscribed to my channel. Like, I was just at 46 a few days ago. I wanted to tell you guys that I am really grateful for that. I am also about to reach 5,000 followers on my Instagram account, and thank you so much everybody for this support. Like, I I can't express how much grateful I am for your support. I have a dream of becoming the king of anime on social media and reaching out to the whole world with anime and showing the world how much awesome anime is. Like, I want to bring anime to the top of all forms of entertainment. Like, I wanna show the world how awesome anime is, how awesome manga is, how awesome otaku culture is, and you are all helping me in that. That you are the first ones to acknowledge me, and you are the first ones to join me on this journey of mine of bringing otaku culture out to the whole world. Like, people like more people are into anime right now than ever before, and I want to continue the trend and grow the popularity of anime to a different level. Right now, according to Google, there are 3 billion anime watchers in the world, but those who are actively into anime, the number of those who are actively into anime, like real otakus or anime, many anime watchers are there out in the world. We might, the otakus inside the community might not know, but there are many people in the world who watch anime without knowing what anime really is. Alright, they confuse anime with cartoon and stuff, and I don't like that at all. Anime community has grown to such a great extent right now. Like, even 3 years ago it wasn't such a huge community, and I'm sure it will keep on growing like this. But I wanna be the one to lead the popularity of anime to the whole world. And thank you everybody for joining me on this journey of mine. And as for the updates, what am I doing right now? So, as I said before, that I am doing some really fun stuff. I am planning on bringing you like really interesting stuff. Many ideas are going on in my mind, and I want to execute them. For the times when I am not uploading video, I just before starting to upload seriously, I uploaded tons of anime clips on my channel, 85% of which got copyrighted and taken down, as you can see on the screen. But still, like 15% are left, so you can enjoy those 15% if you want. And even within those 15%, there are some good anime clips as well, and I will probably be uploading more short anime clips in the future, uh, so that you can see in times when I am busy making content or doing some other work or watching anime, so that you can enjoy the clips. I'll be uploading more short anime clips. I have also got a few Japanese song clips like the songs by One Ok Rock Band. I hope you have heard about them. And I have got like such is Turn Up the Music video, MV music video up on my channel as well. Like I have just like they're just like feelers for my channel, alright, so that you can enjoy them while I'm not uploading. Might have started uploading seriously recently, but 1 year ago I made a few drawing videos, like speed drawing videos. You can watch them as well if you want, but yeah, those were just loosely done, and I have really started uploading seriously like from a month ago. And for almost, like, you will see that I have joined YouTube, made my YouTube channel 2 years ago, but all the time I didn't upload. I never thought of uploading seriously. And no, actually I thought of uploading seriously. I always had the thought in my mind of growing my YouTube channel, but I was busy growing my Instagram account. The link is in the description below, you can check it out. And therefore I couldn't give enough time behind this channel of mine. But now, yeah, I'm totally serious about this. If you want to see only a certain type of video from my channel, I have got a playlist up here, right here. So go to the playlist section in my channel. I have like segregated all the content there. Like some are under anime openings, like there is a Japanese corner where I have all the Japanese pop and rock songs saved there. And there is also a speed drawing corner where it's all about art. There is an anime corner where there are only short anime clips, so you can check all the content there. So do you want to see a sneak peek of what I am doing? A little sneak peek, not more than that. So come along, let's go. Let me show you what I am doing right now for my next few videos. Come with me. So yeah, this is where I sit down and draw anime and make all my content. This is where I do all that stuff. This is all of my setup. Yeah, not much though. This is pretty much my, what you can say, it's my corner of the house, and this is where I do all my stuff. Nothing grand, but I love this place. And here are the drawings along with which I'll be making my next few videos. Let me show you. Well, I showed you too much. There's so many stuff. Look at this. Like, I'm drawing so much this past few days. Like, look at that. Like, look at the thickness. I've been drawing so much, my goodness. But I will have to, like, well, you have seen too much now. Get lost. But I'll be giving you a sneak peek of what I am drawing right now. Alright? So these have all been, the ones I showed you have all been drawn, and the coloring is left. So here's what I have been drawing. And guess what the anime is? And comment below what do you think the anime is that I am drawing right now. That's what I am drawing right now. So yeah. Why the drawings that you have seen just now aren't colored? Well, because I am graduating from using cheap colors, alright? not cheap. I love them. Alright, I love these colors. They are like, yeah, they are cheap, but like, though they are cheap, they are so much better than what their price is, what their quality should be according to their price. They're so much better than that. I love this. This helped me. These color pencils helped me for so long. But well, yeah, I will be. I'll be using a bit more expensive color pencils. Not a bit more. Yeah, quite a bit more expensive color pencils from now on. Like, I want to bring quality content to you guys. So yeah, I'll be doing everything for that. And the color pencils that I used till now in my previous videos, and if you are there on my Instagram, then all the drawings that you can see on my Instagram have been done with these color pencils. These are called Dom's watercolor pencils, and their price, like a pack of 24, the price of a pack of 24 is like $1. Yeah, they are really cheap, but they are much better than what their quality should be, what you would expect their quality to be. They are much better than that, but yeah, there are limitations to them, so I can't go on using them, and I decided that I should now like step up the game and use better color pencils. Yeah, that's it. Comment down below if you wanna see the color pencils when they arrive. Like, if you want me to make a review of the new color pencils that I will be using, and yeah, comment down below if you wanna make me a video on that, like a review video or whatever. So that's all for today. See you next day. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe button, turn the bell notification icon on, tap on the bell notification icon, and you can share this video if you want. So Johnny.